This is BMW's way of introducing you to the luxury. The BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe. Compact, youthful, yet every bit as premium as you would expect from the badge. Hi, I'm Yashvi Punya. Welcome to Carlino Lux. Front first, the 2025 Gran Coupe gets a redesigned kidney grille with that iconic glow. Luminous contours outline the grille at night, giving a presence even at rest. Adaptive LED headlights now feature glare-free matrix high beam with cornering lights, perfectly shaped to follow the bold, shark-nosed design of the front fascia. Along the side, you will notice a coupe-like silhouette with frameless windows and strong shoulder lines. Dimensions have grown slightly, length 4546 mm, width 1800 mm, height 1445 mm. And wheelbase 2670 mm, just enough for more comfort without losing agility. 18-inch M-Lite alloy wheels for M Sport trims, gloss black accents, tire profile 225 by 45, R18 for front and rear, perfect balance of grip and ride. At rear, you get these slim wraparound LED tail lamps, black gloss diffuser and a sporty bumper. Talking about boot space, you get 430 liters of boot space here and you have a spare wheel as well. This is where pure elegance meets aggression. Step inside and you will notice that BMW's design philosophy meets modern minimalism here. The BMW Curve display integrates a 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster with a 10.7-inch central touchscreen under one seamless bezel. OS 9 powers the intuitive UI, voice, touch, and gesture control. Seats are sporty and they have strong bolstering. Front seats are electrically adjustable with thigh extension support. You get leather-wrapped multifunctional steering wheel here. Tilt and telescopic adjustment is also there. Here you get soft touch dash, brushed aluminium accents, ambient lighting with multiple color options, panoramic sunroof, wireless charging pad, 360-degree camera, parking assist, and dual-zone climate control. Everything feels premium. Rear seat can accommodate 2 adults comfortably and middle seat is better for short trips, not for longer trips. Considering my height is 5'8", I have decent headroom and legroom here. But somebody who is taller than me, that person might find it difficult to sit here. You have 2 AC vents here and 2 USB ports. Talking about safety, you get 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, stability and traction control, adaptive headlights, front collision warning, 360-degree cameras and parking assist. In tech, you get My BMW app for connected car features, digital key and keyless entry. The 2 Series comes in 2 variants, 218 M Sport which is priced at Rs 45.30 lakhs and 218 M Sports Pro which is priced at Rs 47.20 lakhs ex-showroom. It is positioned against A-Class limousine and Audi A4 but with BMW's own character. Let's have a look at pros and cons. Pros: stunning design, premium cabin, Harman Kardon audio system, heads-up display, great tech, balanced ride quality. Cons: 3-cylinder engine, less punchy than 4-cylinder, rear middle seat cramped, no diesel or higher power petrol variants at this price. The heart of this car is 1.5-litre 3-cylinder turbo petrol engine. It produces around 156 horsepower and 230 Nm of torque, delivered through a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. 0 to 100 km/h happens in about 8.6 seconds. top speed claimed at 230 km per hour. Not earth-shattering, but in this segment, it's well balanced. What does this feel like? In the city, light steering, smooth low-end response, the 3-cylinder is refined once you are rolling. Low RPM, it idles with a slight vibration, but it's nothing unacceptable. On the highway, it picks up cleanly, overtakes feel safe, the DCT shifts quickly. Above 4000 RPM, there's more noise, more character. If you push it, it reminds you are in a performance-tuned compact luxury. Talking about ride and handling, BMW has re-engineered the chassis. More stiffness, better damping. Talking about fuel efficiency, BMW claims about 16.35 km per litre. In real-life driving, expect variations depending on traffic, drive mode, AC use, etc. The BMW 2 Series Gran Coupe isn't about raw power, it is about presence. It is sharp, feels premium inside, and still have that fun-to-drive BMW DNA. So if you want to enter BMW world without compromising on style and comfort, this is a smart pick for you. Let us know in the comments below, would you pick this car in this price range or go for any other car? Signing off for the day, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Kaaleru Luxe.